Today's video is all about how I'm going to go over around 7 different ways that you can use ChatGPT if you're looking to make money online as a complete beginner. As someone who has personally used ChatGPT in various ways to grow my own online business, I'm excited to share with you some of the different ways you can leverage this powerful tool. First off, one of the best ways to use ChatGPT is by creating a lead magnet. If you're not familiar with the term, a lead magnet is essentially a valuable piece of content that you offer to potential customers in exchange for their email address. This allows you to build your email list and market your products or services to them in the future. One effective lead magnet you can create is an ebook. For instance, if you're interested in starting an Instagram page focused on personal growth and self-help, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas on ebook titles related to those topics. Once you have a title that resonates with you, you can ask ChatGPT to write the entire ebook for you. From there, it's just a matter of copying the text, pasting it into a program like Microsoft Word, formatting it to your liking, and converting it to a PDF file. You can also use Canva to create a cover for your ebook. Let's move on to the second way that you can harness the power of ChatGPT, which is by utilizing it to boost your email marketing strategy. In my view, launching an email newsletter is one of the most effective methods to earn money online, as it enables you to have direct engagement with your subscribers, and ChatGPT can help you with different aspects of the entire process. One of the primary ways that it can assist you is by providing you with a limitless supply of email ideas. Suppose, for instance, that you have an email list of individuals who are keen on health and fitness. In that case, you can request ChatGPT to generate 10 email ideas that cater to this topic. In no time, it will produce a myriad of results for you to choose from. Once you have the ideas, you can then ask ChatGPT to compose a 300 or 200-word email for each concept. After that, all you need to do is review and make any necessary changes before copying and pasting it into your email marketing software. Finally, schedule the emails to be dispatched, and occasionally, you can include an affiliate link to earn a commission. Moving on to the third method that I have been employing ChatGPT for my online business, it's to assist me in creating unique product descriptions. As you may already know, I have multiple e-commerce stores that I have been operating for a couple of years, and I consistently add new products to these stores. However, it's not always easy to come up with an exceptional product description. Although you can copy the product description from your supplier's website, it's important to remember that other sellers might be doing the same thing. Therefore, you should create a unique product description to stand out from the competition. To illustrate my point, let's say I'm considering selling a men's hair clipper from AliExpress. Firstly, I would try to identify the supplier who is currently selling it and their level of success. Then, I would copy their product description and request ChatGPT to rewrite it in a way that would be exclusive to me. This would save me time and effort in creating a new description myself, and I could easily paste it into my store. By utilizing ChatGPT, I can generate unique product descriptions in just a matter of seconds, ensuring that my products stand out from the competition. Another way to use ChatGPT for your online business is by generating winning product ideas. This applies to both e-commerce and affiliate marketing businesses. ChatGPT can help you come up with innovative product ideas that can help you succeed. For instance, if you have an e-commerce business, you can simply ask ChatGPT to provide you with 10 product ideas that are most likely to succeed. As shown on the screen, ChatGPT will generate a list of winning products. If you are not satisfied with the initial response, you can request for additional 10 winning product ideas. After receiving a list of potential products, you can use product research software like Zik Analytics if you intend to sell on eBay, to confirm if people are spending money on the item. The same applies to selecting affiliate products to promote. Moving on to the fifth way of using ChatGPT for your online business, you can use it to assist you in producing blog articles. If you're running a niche content website and regularly publishing articles, ChatGPT can be helpful in providing blog article ideas and article outlines. While some people may use ChatGPT to write the entire article, I wouldn't recommend this approach, as it may negatively affect your website's ranking on Google's first page. Instead, you can use ChatGPT to generate a draft article, then copy and paste it into a Word document, and modify it as needed. Try to use your own words as much as possible and switch some sentences around. After making necessary changes, you can use originality.ai to check the AI detection score of the article. It will help you determine if there is plagiarism in the article. You can go back and make the required changes to ensure that your content is unique before publishing it on your blog website. By using ChatGPT in this way, you can increase the efficiency of your article creation process and improve the overall quality of your content. Let's move on to the next way ChatGPT can assist you with your online business, especially if you manage a YouTube channel. You can use this powerful tool to generate video scripts that align with your channel's niche. Let's say you run a channel that focuses on travel. You can ask ChatGPT to provide you with 10 unique video ideas, and once you have selected one of them, you can request ChatGPT to provide you with a complete script for the video. Whether you create long-form or short-form videos, ChatGPT can help you generate scripts that resonate with your audience. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting your YouTube video description. After you have your script, you can simply copy it and paste it into InVideo software, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a video that's ready to be uploaded to your channel. Once you have the video, ChatGPT can also aid you in creating captivating titles and descriptions that will grab your viewers' attention. By using ChatGPT, you'll have the support you need to create high-quality content that engages your audience and takes your online business to the next level. I've been using ChatGPT to make money online, and one of the ways I've found success is with ClickBank affiliate marketing using YouTube ads. It's actually quite simple. Head over to ClickBank and find a trending affiliate offer that's performing well. Then, create a high-quality video ad to promote the offer. ChatGPT can assist you in writing the script for your YouTube ad, just like it can help you create a script for a regular YouTube video or a 2-minute YouTube video ad. However, there are additional factors to consider when it comes to promoting an offer effectively and structuring your ad for maximum impact. I've recently made a video covering all of this information, so be sure to check it out after watching this one. Many people have found it helpful, and I'm confident it will be useful to you as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.